Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I'm going to use my Anita's White Metallic, even though it's kind of precious since it's hard to get a hold of, on this 12 by 12 inch canvas as a base layer. I might use an edge catcher. I'm definitely going to use some cell activator. This is quinacridone nickel azo gold. This is Tuscan Sun. That's by Golden. This is a Colourarte product. This is Burmese Red. I believe it's a primary element. I'm not sure I'm going to get any out the way it feels. I'm going to try and use a fairly copious amount of everything. This is a Red Violet, Vivid Intense. This is Snapdragon, which feels like it's almost closed. Snapdragon is a primary element. I'm going to be irreverent and add some of that red violet. Alright, where am I at? I'm at Egyptian gold. I'm going to use some Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I meant to put the Oriental Blue, which is plugged. Not anymore. That might be okay. I want some red, and I'm not a big fan of the deep crimson, but I think it's time to try. I might just venture some pink too. That reminds me so much of that Burmese red. I think I'm going for the pink, like I said. Let's do the, maybe not. The Big Apple, excuse me, Prizm Pour Bobbing for Apples. All this makes me want some copper. I've got a really beautiful warm caramel color. And strangely enough, the pink carnation is just called to me. Don't know why. Don't really care. So now it's time to consider whether I want something else in here or not. I've got Jasmine. Yeah, I'm okay with that. I'm going to be late for dinner, I can tell. I'm just going to use a spatula as best I can. An Australian Floetrol. Hope there's enough room to swing my turntable. More paint. needs to come off my spatula. I'm being drawn to the cobalt turquoise, which unfortunately got left open overnight. Australian floetrol and air don't get along very well. I think this is a good choice. I hope I'm right. Now I've got a nice heavy layer of paint, and what I'm thinking is, as long as things are going okay, I might just attempt to tip. Although I want some orange. Do I want it bad enough to do anything about it? That's the question. Alright, do I have a small acetate tool? I do. This is a P.E orange. And I don't want the rest of that color on there. I'm not minding that. I've got purple. Do I want it? No. Do I want Dancing Fuchsia? Yes. Those are some gorgeous cells. I wish I could leave this just like it is. Alright, I'm going to be late for dinner. I'm going to throw that right into the bucket. And the same with my spatula. After I knock off whatever's on the edge. Grab my, speaking of edges, I've got an edge catcher here. Oh, definitely the wrong size. But I have one the right size, as long as there's nothing stuck to it too firmly. I'm going to let everything move down and back. I wish that I had found my tweezers, because I see there's something in there. I really would like to get it spread out enough so I could keep all of it, because it's beautiful. But I'm going to have to call this done pretty quick, because I know dinner's on the table in like 4 minutes. Speaking of picking up some paint, it looks like if I want to fix that, I'm going to have to pick up some paint. So let me grab a rubber brush. Do I have any more I want to do? I do, I kind of do. If I thin it out, it's less likely to crack. I'm going to give a quick torch, and then I'm going to call it a day. This is the only painting I got to do today, and it's not bothering me that I did. Look at those beautiful cells, and those colors are awesome. I'm loving those colors. I'll be using them again. They're beautiful. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.